Hi, today we are talking about the topic Surariputra movie brought the 7 awards at the Saima Awards 2021. The 7 awards for the best actor for the Surya and best director for the Sudha Kumakara and best actors for the Aparna Balamurali and best music for the G. Prakash and best music and best playback singer for the Shivarama Krishnan and best cinematographer for the Nikit Bommi. And these categories for the brought for the 7 awards at the Saima 2021. And this movie is the so excellent movie because that movie in the Surya's character and Surya's acting is Surya's acting is so excellent. He did the performance is so excellent in that movie, and because Surya's each and every scene each and every scene he did the well performance. He did and showing the well performance, and the director Sudha Kumakara saw each and every scene, storylines, each and every storyline and the direction screenplay also doing for the so excellence. And this movie is for the theatrical release for theatrical release for the Surya's fans and audience, because that movie is the so excellent movie, and it is one of the best motivational movie, because this is the real story of the file. This is the Indian pilot real story for this movie, and this movie is the well comeback for the Surya, because the Surya's last 2 to 3 movies are flopped, because this movie is the well comeback for the Surya, and Surya is this movie is the one of the best film in the Surya's career, because this movie is in Amazon Prime releasing time. This is the highest watched movie in the Amazon Prime in the Indian cinema. This is the second highest watched movie in the Amazon Prime in the Indian cinema, and this movie is nominee for the Oscar award also, but in the final level is not going this movie, and this movie is well and so excellent, because every people watch after movie is getting the best, getting one good intention and motivational. Every person are motivated for this movie from the movie. And Surariputra movie is in the storyline. Surya's father is died when the scene is so excellent, and this movie this movie G. Prakash music also, each and every music and the songs are also well, and the music and BGM also so excellent. People are setting for the ringtones, and people are setting for the mobile ringtones, call ringtones, and this movie is the one of the best movie for the Surya's category, and this movie is so that's why getting for the 7 awards for the all categories, and this video share for the Surya's fans, and this is the good news for the Surya's fans, and share this video for the Surya's fans, and coming for the movies updates, all in front of movies updates are all coming for this channel, and do subscribe for this channel, and thank you for watching.